Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. This here is the original Emma's family from Lego Friends. So we got Mum Charlotte, Dad Louie and the original Emma, but Lego decided, nope, we don't want you anymore. We are going to make a new family. This is the current Emma and her father Robert, well stepfather I should say, her mum June and little baby Sophie, and we have little toddler Henry here. And today I will be making Henry's little room for the new house. This is Emma's original house. I love the look of it. There's the three of the original family members. I actually did a video a while back on how to make the parents' bedroom if you want to check that out. But this section here with these three window panes is how I have built little Henry's bedroom. So let's take a look. I liked the look of the three windows and the little planter box there, and I thought that would go perfect for little Henry's bedroom. I have built it 14 studs deep, as I felt 16 would have been too much. This was the perfect size for what I wanted to create. Inside his bedroom, so the panel over here, I popped some stickers on there to add extra detail and fun. It is a kid's bedroom. I did the same on this panel here. Just pop some cute things on. There's a picture of Chico the cat that Emma painted, and I made a little rug here. Just tiles that I had. You can use any colour you like. Now the bedroom just needs lots of furniture and toys. time to pop everything in. And here's that little bookshelf with the drawers for extra storage. The little chair so Henry can sit down and read. The little table here with the toys on there. Here's the little town setup with the little car, tree and houses. That can go here in the corner. You don't have to press it down, so you can remove it easily still. Now we need a crate, and the crate's for all the toys. So we're going to pop the police car here. There's a little fire engine, a little cement truck, an aeroplane. We're keeping this room tidy. Now we need to pop his little bed in, so the little truck bed. And you just need to pop these little studs underneath so we can clip the bed down so it won't move around. And now the little chest of drawers with the lava lamp and the little car there. Up here we need this lollipop looking thing because that's where the Snowspeeder is going to go. So it can look like it's hovering above in the bedroom. Pop that over there. And there's his little room. It's full of lots of toys and furniture. He needs his teddy bear on the bed. And here he is, little Henry. He is so happy with his new bedroom. My cat's come along to check it out because he wants to scratch the mat there. And I hope I have given you some ideas on how to make your little boy's bedroom, or a little bedroom for any house really. I have rebuilt Emma's house once again, so I'll be excited to film that and show you what I've done. So everyone, get your bricks out, get building and get creative.